Now, in this video, let me show you a little bit complicated example where I will not just print one string in the window as we have done in our previous previous video. But what I am now interested, I want to add two numbers and then would like to print the result on the screen. So for example, I am interested to print the result of 5 plus 6 on screen. So that's what I want to do. So what can I do for that? Again, for printing in Java, you have to use this command system.out.println, then inside, then the parenthesis, opening and closing parenthesis. Now, in the previous video, in order to print a string, we have written the string inside a double quote. But when you want to evaluate some expression like 5 plus 6, you do not need to enclose that in the double quote. What you can do is just write down 5 plus 6. Java can automatically understand this 5 and 6 as a number, and it will just, Java compiler will add it and will print the result. So let us see what does it print. So system.out.println 5 plus 6, and if I run this program, as you can see, well, I have got an error. Why? Because I forgot the semicolon over here. As I told earlier, each Java program, each Java instruction should end with a semicolon. So now I just put the semicolon in here, and now let us run it. And let's see whether it runs properly or not. Well, as you can see, the result of 5 plus 6 is 11, and the Java program printed that on screen for you. So here is the program for adding 5 plus 6, and here is the output. So this is how you can add two numbers, and not only adding, let's say at some point if you want to print the multiplication 5 times 6, that is also possible. Like, just change this to multiplication symbol 5 times 6, and if you just run it, you will see that, well, 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 have been printed. And now one more thing that I would like to show you. Now, if you want this program to, if you want to run your program on a full screen mode or in a different tab, you can always do that using this pin out icon over here. So if you just click on this pin out icon, it will open the Programmy's compiler for you in a different window, where you can simply start to write your Java program like this. I have just copied it and pasted it in here, and you can just run it. It will simply run the program for you in this window. And if you want to suppress this advertisement and all these things, you can simply click this button and it will just open the online compiler for you. So you can write your Java program over here and you will get the output over here after clicking the run button. So this is how you can write your Java program. And well, congratulations, you have learned how to write and execute your first Java program without doing any installation or any type of hassle or making any changes in your computer. Everything online, and you learned how to write your first Java program.